We are very happy to announce that Santa Francisca Romana, the best school for girls, is now part of RedCol. We're very proud to have him in the network, and we would like to give him a warm welcome to our organization. It is also very important to say that this is a great opportunity for us to share our experiences so we can strengthen our network and we can have great activities with this new schools. Now we have 9 schools in our network in all Colombia. We're very happy to announce that we have 24 new cameras that are in all of our school. We have in preschool, in primary, and in high school, and they're meant to be there so we can have more security in our school, and also so we can follow up with all the activities that occur during class and outside of class time. So please, let's use them in the best way possible.
Teachers have helped us not only in the classroom, but also they have made a big impact on our lives.
As you know, a couple of days ago we received an invitation from the Cambridge University to nominate the teachers for the World Best Teacher Award. The students nominated their own favorite teachers, and our school will make some videos to submit to the contest. We want to congratulate all of the teachers and wish them the best of luck. Thank you very much.
This week, the final exams began. The recommendation for the students are: it's very important to sleep properly, have a study schedule, try to study ahead of time.
We have created an alliance with CES University to work about our children's mental health. We think this is a very important topic and students need to know about it. That's why last Friday we had different workshops for stages 5 to 12, and they work different abilities that will help them embrace any problem or situation they have in their daily life. Also, we would like to invite you this Friday to our Escuela de Padres, where we're going to be talking about mental health in our children and adolescents. It's at 7:30 in Aula Central. We hope to see you all there.
Hello, we want to tell you that from the second trimester we will have in our sede poblado the interclasses. In these spaces we want to promote in the children basic motor skills as well as fair play, healthy competition and sports at different moments of the physical education classes.
This past weekend, our club Omega Vermont participated on Antioquia's Handball Cup tournament. A large group of schools and organizations participated on this tournament, such as Colombo Británico School, Colegio Corazonista, Inder, and more. Our school's handball team hopes to continue participating in these tournaments, and we hope to keep teaching more students in the great sport that is handball.